how important it is to evaluate our risk profile, especially for the younger investors as they start their journey towards investments?
So risk profile is actually the base for financial planning. Because it's like this, somebody between you and me, Sumana, I may like to be on a beach and you might just like to go and do a bungee jumping. Okay.
Yeah.
So that's also a risk profile. It's not related only to investments. Okay. So risk profile is important because I don't want to get a sleepless night after making that investment. After cutting that check, I want to be at peace. So I should know that how am I going to behave, if if something goes wrong. If everything is going okay, then there's nothing to worry. But there are such situations because of which, like we just saw COVID, okay, things could go topsy-turvy. So that is why risk profile is extremely important. And what I say, that risk profile should also be evaluated every few years, because we all learn from our mistakes and our risk profile keeps changing.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.